Damon is about to drive this guy CGT. He was like, hey, gotta drive my car.
So you have to go down and over the mountain. Like a M3, 46 M3.
I love being a passenger sometimes.
Oh, man. I'm nervous. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this. Throw my back. Sit down.
Damon, if this goes wrong, it's gonna be the worst moment in history. If it goes well, it's gonna be the best moment in history.
It's a V10. Listen to this. Yeah, light. Oh man. That's where the lights are. Turn. Note to self, turn the lights.
Are you ready? There's nobody watching.
I have to back up. Please move for your own good. I've never driven one of these before. It could be bad.
Good luck.
Okay, bye.
Ray. Where are the windows?
In the middle.
Stay down. Holy, yeah, the clutch feels a little strong. Does it catch at the top?
Don't give me any tips.
Like you have feeling. What do you mean don't give me any tips?
You're on your own.
Is your left leg bigger than your right? This thing is so hard. Like seriously, nobody should stand behind me.
Or in front.
Dave, make sure he doesn't break it.
Well, that's a good start. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. First time driving, he says.
That's very tricky.
Oh yeah, Performante. You're alive!
Did you stall
That's
it?
it, I'm done. I'm done.
Did you stall it,
I
Dave?
found the traction control button.
You don't need to turn it off.
Holy crap. Dude,
It's easy to drive, right? I mean, you're not gonna stall it.
shaking.
Yeah, but you
It takes a lot for that to happen.
I got more like this.
Wow, you guys. Monday. We'll plan it.
Maybe I'll get tires first.
I'll get you new ones. On me. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Can we get you to rev it so I can stand behind and film that? You guys ready for this?
Pressure from being so conflict.
I need one. I bet you this thing would just be the, like when I was in it a little bit, it's so controllable.
Yeah, it's actually easy to drive, right?
Really easy to drive. Well, I didn't think that was going to happen today.
Is it better than that?